Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a 15-minute strategy that can trade any market, Forex, crypto, stocks, options, you name it, even stuff like Bank Nifty or futures. And this strategy will give you anywhere between a 60, 70, 80% win rate in the markets if you apply it correctly. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. It's a very simple 15-minute time frame strategy that can give you anywhere between a 70 to even 85 or almost 90% win rate depending on the market conditions, guys. So if you want to get started with trading and you want a simple strategy that's super easy to use, super effective, let me show you this strategy right here, guys. Okay, so for this strategy, what you need is you're going to need one indicator on your chart, and the indicator is called Elite Algo version 28.1. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can get that at the end of the video if you don't already have access to it. If you do have access to it, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you right now exactly what the strategy entails and what it is on the market. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to have the same settings as I do on our charts right here. So we're going to go into the settings page and we're going to copy the settings that I have down. So we have the sensitivity set to 15. This can be anywhere between 10 to 20. So I like 15, which is the middle ground, but you guys can pick what you prefer and what looks better on your charts. The agility, I set to autopilot, keep it the same. Candle coloring, put it on gradient and trend. And then you want to go all the way down over here. You want to turn on the echo cloud, the sniper trend, and you also want to turn on the dashboard. You can have it any location you want and any size you want. It's up to you. And then over here, guys, we're going to turn on the order box right there by clicking this button. This is going to give us our stop, take profit, and stop loss levels that we want to use for this strategy. If we don't want to use the order blocks for the strategy, we can also use the built-in take profit stop losses, but I prefer using the order blocks. That's just me personally. And that's pretty much it for settings. We're going to press OK. Next, guys, these are the conditions that we're going to want to enter a trade. So to enter a trade, what we want to see is first, we're going to look at the echo cloud. We're going to make sure what color it is. If the echo cloud is red, then we only want to take red signals, so the sell signals. If the echo cloud is green, then we only want to take buy signals, so we want to take the green signals. Very simple. That's the first thing we want to look at. So for example, let's go use a bar replay function right here just to show you guys exactly how to look at this perfectly. So let's use this signal for our trade setup just so we can understand exactly how to look at it. We'll wait for the algo to load. Okay, so we see that we have a strong buy signal, strong sell signal right here, and we see that it was printed right after the price failed to break a very strong supply level, this red order block right here. Next, guys, if we zoom in here a bit, we can see we have our red echo cloud and the trend sniper line is also red. This is very important. We want to have a red trend sniper line if we're looking for sells. Okay, so we have a confirmation here, our confirmation here. Next, guys, we look at the market volatility. It is high, which means that there's a good chance that this price is going to go ahead and hit or take profit. This is what we want to see, guys. And the last thing, but not least, that especially we need to do if we're on a lower time frame, like the 15-minute time frame, is simply just go to the 4-hour time frame here and check if the latest candle is red or green. We want to match the trend that we want to trade. So for example, if the 4-hour time frame says that it's a red candle, then we're only looking for sells on the 15-minute time frame. Or if the 15-minute time frame is buy signal, then we want to ideally see a green candle on the 4-hour time frame. This is very important. Okay, so this is what our trade's going to look like right now once the algo loads on our charts. Okay, so now that we're back on the 15-minute time frame and we see that all the conditions have been checked and we have exactly what we want to see, now we take our stop loss and take profit levels and draw them up on our charts so we know exactly when to get in and when to get out of the trade. So we're going to use the position size tool here. We're going to go for the short tool. And very simple, guys, our stop loss will just be above the order block. So something like this. And our target will be at least a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So we're going to skip some order blocks if we have to in order to get at least a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. That's pretty much what we're looking for here, guys. Or we can simply even target lower ones if we want to, but we want to keep it around between 1 and 2 risk reward ratio. So we can even do something like this if we want, where it's a 1.5, something like that. Then this is your condition to trade. Simply just run the trade then, and pretty much going to hit profit just like it did right here. Let me show you guys a few more examples of this so you guys can get this down perfectly. Okay, so let's take a look at this chart right now. We're looking at USD CHF, and as we can see, guys, at this moment, we had an order block that was printed down here. The price went up, came back down to retest this order block. The price started to go back up. This gives us one of the confirmation that we're looking for. Next, guys, we have the green echo cloud, right? So we're in a bullish trend. Next, we see that we have a strong signal with two confirmations. So 2 stars means 2 confirmations. And the trend sniper, guys, is green, as you can see right over here. This gives us all the confirmations that we need to tell us that this right now is in a strong trend, and this could be a good trade to take. The last thing we want to look at, guys, is just a 4-hour time frame. We're going to go to the 4-hour time frame. We're going to make sure that the latest candle is green. It's green. This is perfect. This is exactly what we want, guys. So when we go back to the 15-minute time frame here, we can go ahead and set up our stop loss and take profits for this trade right here. So we're going to go here, click our long position size tool. We're going to set it up. Our stop loss is going to be below the order block, as you can see, and we're going to target a 1.5 or the next order block. So something like this, guys, works absolutely perfect for this trade. This is great. Next, that's it. That's our confirmations. We have the market high volatility. We're good. We know it's not going to be a ranging market, and we hit that trade. It's going to draw down just a little bit before shooting up, guys, and hitting our take profit right over here, guys. Our take profit was hit right there. This is exactly how we can trade this system and this strategy. Now, one important thing to note, guys, is once you're in a trade, you do not want to get out even if you get another signal appear on your charts. You want to wait until it hits your stop loss or your take profits for this strategy to work. And also, if you don't want to be looking at your charts all day and instead you want to be notified every single time there's a signal, so you can take a look at it and see if it qualifies for the system and qualifies for the trade by looking at the other confirmations, it's very simple. You want to go over here to the settings page, you want to scroll all the way down, and you want to select buy, sell, strong sell. Okay, this is going to select the notifications that you're going to want. You're going to press OK, and then what you want to do is simply just we're going to exit the replay or to set some notifications. But now what you want to do is very simple. All you want to do is simply just right click the chart, and you're going to click add alert. Then over here, you're going to select V28 or market dynamic, whichever one, the names that you get for Elite Algo when you use it. You want to make sure you use any alert function call, and then you want to click once per bar close. You're going to type up your message, so alerts on ticker / close at the price basically. Notifications, you're going to select where you want to be notified. So you want to be notified by email. Do you want to show a pop-up on a screen? Do you have the mobile app? It's really up to you. That's where you select where you want to be notified. Then you just hit create. So now every single time that there's an alert on USD CHF on the 15-minute time frame, it's going to give you an alert and you're never going to miss an opportunity in the market. It's that simple, guys. Okay, so if you don't have access to this indicator, the Elite Algo indicator, and you want to get access to it and you want to start using it, it's very simple to get access to it. All you got to do is simply just go on our website right here, elitesignals.com. Our website looks like this, and you simply just sign up for access here for the indicator. But on this website, we also have a lot of cool things. We even have our courses that can teach you everything about Forex or stocks. And the best part, guys, is that the courses are completely free. No charge for the courses. And we also have different strategy videos that you can watch here as well. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll answer every single question that we get on this video, as well as like and subscribe, because we're going to be making at least 3 videos every single week this year to give you guys unlimited amounts of content. So again, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them down in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.